his best to figure out. Yep, but he's gonna be fine, and you guys are too. Okay, if you could hold that pencil real still, I'm just gonna move it over. We're gonna video this so that I can show other kids how to do this. So you guys can put that away. I don't want any sounds while we're doing this. You can hear it. Okay. So our friends, when you get to your spot, by the way, how did that mirroring feel? Did you kind of get the hang of it after a while? Yeah. It's a certain kind of concentration to really watch another person and do what they do. You guys were doing great. When you get to your spot, we'll see how that translates to the drawing in a minute. You're going to notice that you have 2 trays and a bag of chalk. So you're each going to take a tray. Do you also see that the trays have a number 1, 2, 3, and 4 in them?
Yeah.
Okay. You're each going to take a tray. You're going to dump the chalk out. And the person who starts first will choose the first color. And because Mr. Harvey doesn't really know what's going on here, I'm going to go ahead and choose the first color. So, Mr. Harvey, we're going to have green be our first color. So we're each going to take 2 greens, and we're going to put them in the number 1 space. Now Mr. Harvey gets to choose a color for our second color. He says,
blue next.
okay, so we each take 2 blues and put them in our 2 spot. Now it's my turn. I think I'm going to go to white next. Number 3 is white, and obviously number 4 is yellow. Now we're going to set these off to the side, and the bag too. Okay. When I ring the whale bell to begin, the person who chose the first color, and who was that? Will take the first color, and actually both of you will take the first color. But the person who chose the first color is going to be the lead to start with. Just like we were taking turns being the lead with the mirroring, I'm going to be the lead for this. First thing I'm going to do is just set my chalk down somewhere on my paper, both of them, and let Mr. Harvey match me. Okay, did he get it? Okay, now he's going to watch while I do one line or shape, and I'm not going to make it complicated. I'm going to make it simple because I want him to be able to follow me. He's going to wait until he sees me repeat it, and then he's going to do it with me. Ready, Mr. Harvey? Did you see what I did?
Yep.
Go ahead, let's do it.
It looks like a volcano.
Okay. So we're just going to do it kind of back and forth till I'm sure he's got it. What do you guys think? Does he get it? Did he get it? Okay. When I'm sure he has it, I'm going to lift my chalk, and then he's going to lift his too. That's the signal that it's his turn to lead one.
Same chalk this time?
Same chalk. So
Okay.
first you put your chalk down somewhere on the paper. You're using 2 at one time.
Okay.
And and you wait to make sure I get it. Oh, did I get it? Okay, now I'm gonna watch and see what he does, and he's gonna do a simple shape or a line, and he's just gonna do it over and over again until I get it. Okay. When he's sure that I have it, he's gonna lift his chalk. Okay. Let's try this one.
I can't tell which.
Okay. Did he get it? Okay, now he's gonna watch.
Whoa.
How's he doing?
Those 2 big. It looks like an
Okay.
X.
Does he have
It
it?
looks like X
Okay.
eyes.
When you hear the whale bell, guess what happens?
Other person's turn. Oh wait, no, other color.
Yes, you change color. So ding, whale bell. Okay.
Whoa.
2.
Okay, and who led that last one?
Mr. Harvey. No,
I
you.
did.
Okay, so Mr. Harvey starts. Mr. Harvey, here you go.
I guess.
Ooh, okay, he's gonna wait for me to get it.
Cool.
Okay, and I'm gonna watch and see what he's doing. Okay, let's see what he does. Okay, he lifts his chalk when he knows I have it. Okay. Friends, you can draw with the ends of the chalk like we were doing, or you can draw with the side of the chalk. So watch this. Watch this. And kind of shake it up a little bit. Do some with the side and some with the.
Hey,
Okay.
Rory, come
Friends,
over.
come on over and watch. Okay, so watch. I'm gonna make sure he gets it. We're laying it on the side. So the side of the chalk is an option too.
I
Okay.
didn't know that. That's nice.
We're still going with this color. Just gonna start. Okay. Oh, we want to do this side of the chalk too. Let's see. I think it's just going
Cool.
this.
It almost looks like a human with X eyes. All these really big Eyebrows.
Okay,
Eyebrows, yeah.
ding, what do we do? Whale
Hands
nose.
color.
Number 3,
Okay.
white.
And I get to start because he did the last one, right? Okay, ready?
Whoa.
Sometimes you can do really big
I love when I
shapes.
do that with art. So fun.
Okay, does he have it?
Yeah.
Okay, so then,
Ouch. Sorry.
right in the middle. Okay. Oh, he's going over the top of that one, I like that.
It kind of looks like a man angry. It looks like.
Oh,
it looks like.
Okay,
It
friends?
kind of looks like a fraction, but not equal.
So friends, sometimes you draw with the tips. We're not starting yet, friends.
Come on over here.
Equal.
Sometimes you draw with the tips, sometimes you draw with the sides, and sometimes you might want to lay your chalk down and use your hands. It's my turn to lead, so I'm choosing this movement, and he's going to follow me.
Cool. Wait, but you forgot yellow.
Well, we haven't had the whale bell ring yet for that last color. Friends, if we were to just rub everywhere, what would that end up looking
It
like?
would just look like squish.
Yeah, but does it look cool to have some lines
Yeah.
really sharp and some lines really soft?
Yeah.
So if you choose to smear, choose just one little spot to smear, not the whole thing. And don't smear the whole thing, just smear a little tiny bit and then
It
go
looks
back
like-
to using the chalk.
It looks like it's glowing, the eyes. It looks like it's really busy.
So friends, everyone's will be really different, but yours will be mirroring your partners. Now, listen,
Everybody over
when
here.
you get back to
Listen.
your spot, this is the first thing you do. The first thing you do is dump your chalk out.
Oh, everybody over here, listen. You need to hear the directions.
So the first thing you do when you get back is to dump your chalk out and take turns setting up color number 1, color number 2, color number 3, color number 4. When you have your trays ready and they match each other, put your hands on your head so that I know you're ready. Is anyone going to start drawing yet?
No.
No, you're gonna get your trays ready and then put your hand on your head. Give me a thumb if you heard that. Okay, let's do it.
Hey,
See
so
how